Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add email on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and now you want to add your email account on your Facebook, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your Facebook app, open it, and here you have to tab on three horizontal lines of the menu icon. Just tap on it, and then just scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Tap on it, then tap on settings. In settings, you will get the account center, tab on it. In the account center, just have on personal details. Then tab on contact info, and here you have to tab on add new contact. Tab on it, then select email, and here you just have to enter the email which you want to add to your Facebook profile. And after that, you will have to enter the verification code to verify your email. So that's how you can easily add email on your Facebook. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.